Google finally started rolling out vertical tabs on Google Chrome. However, it is currently rolling out and is not available for everyone. I haven't received the update yet. There is a way you can get vertical tabs right now on your Google Chrome using Google Chrome flags, which is very easy and works on any device. However, before that, check whether you have got this update. If you have it, you can right click on any tab and tap on the Show Tabs in Vertical option, and that's it. If you still don't see that option, you can follow the next steps. To get Google Chrome vertical tabs on your device, 1. Go to the Google Chrome flags page. 2. Search for vertical tabs. 3. Tap on Enable. 4. Google Chrome will prompt you to relaunch the browser. That's it. Now you can see vertical tabs on your Google Chrome. You can resize them, enable tab groups, and make only the tab icons visible to save space and much more. If you want to disable the feature, you can go to Google Chrome flags again and disable the flag on your device. If the Google Chrome tabs are not vertically enabled on your Chrome, you first need to enable them from the settings. To do it, 1. Go to Settings on your Google Chrome. 2. Tap on Appearance from the sidebar. 3. Select Show Tabs Position. 4. Select Vertical Tabs. And that's it. The vertical tabs should be enabled on your device. If not, restart your Google Chrome and it should work. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments, do you prefer vertical tabs or horizontal tabs?